Hey, what's going on, everyone? Vega here for Serpent Tech, and in this video, we'll be going through how you can store and manage your OXDNX or wrapped version of Dynex on the Ethereum ecosystem with a hardware wallet like the SafePal wallet, which gives us options or at least access to various networks: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Polygon, Binance Smart Chain, and so many others. Now, the different wallet options we've discussed before from the Dynex team are the Dynex web wallet or mobile wallet, their GUI wallet or graphics user interface wallet, as well as their CLI and daemon. They even have a direct support from a hardware provider, but it's only the one key classic, not all the devices. I would like to see them do better, but again, this video is focusing on SafePal. I'll have links down in the description that are affiliate links that help provide a kickback to the channel if you're interested in a SafePal wallet. But we're just going to use the mobile extension and our hardware wallet. Now, again, just a quick reminder, there's a full guide on the setup process for the SafePal wallet on the channel. You want to generate and set up your seed phrase or generate your seed phrase from your hardware wallet, not the mobile application on your phone and not the browser extension. So do that with the hardware wallet first, go through those steps, and then you can interact with the browser extension and so on and so forth. Now, we've got Dynex not only on our web wallet, but also on our desktop wallet, which is on standby, ready to go for us to send some Dynex. But we need to head on over to the Dynex bridge in order to send some Dynex and get it on the Ethereum mainnet. To do that, just go to bridge.dynex.org, and you can see here we got to transfer in some Dynex. We're just going to send 10 Dynex for now, and we're going to get 9.99 OXDNX, and we got an option here to connect our wallet. Also, if I move out of your way, there's an option in the upper right hand corner to connect the wallet. Either one would work, and we already have our SafePal browser extension installed, so we're good to go there. If you haven't gotten to this point yet, again, go check out my SafePal wallet. But go ahead and click on Connect Wallet. You can see SafePal is an option. We're going to select that. We're going to go ahead and click Connect. Make sure it's on the wallet that you want if you have multiple. And then once we connect, we can go ahead and choose Bridge. Now, we're going to need to fund or send some of that Dynex over, which is why we have the desktop wallet and the web wallet on standby. So let's go ahead and click Bridge. Wait a little bit. You're going to see here, we're going to send 10 Dynex. So we're going to go ahead and click that. Go to my desktop wallet. And we're going to put in the amount first. And then we're going to copy the address that we need to send the funds to. And then label, while it says label in here, there is a section for a payment ID that we need to put down right here at the bottom. See that payment ID? It says memo on the website, but in brackets payment ID. So go ahead and copy that, put that in there, double check everything. I always love to double check everything, use two screens, whatever it might be. Just want to make sure that we got the correct address, starting with the first few digits and ending with the last few, just making sure that everything lines up and we're not sending it to the wrong address. Because if you do, you will not get your funds. So just make sure you do that. So now that that's all set, we can go ahead and click send, hit OK, and those funds are on its way. And we just have to stand by on the bridge. Now, it can take quite some time for the funds to show up. It's about 60 minutes, and then we need to claim the funds into our hardware wallet account or browser extension account, whatever it might be, using our SafePal wallet. So I'll bring you right back. Hang tight. But right now, all you can do is close this page, and you'll see, since we're connected, eventually what will happen is in the upper right hand corner, this history icon will have a number 1 in green next to it. But we can see the history of our transaction in just a moment here shortly. Something of note, when you send Dynex from the GUI wallet, you'll notice that we only sent 10, but it shows that my balance is a lot lower than it should be, and then unconfirmed. Don't fret, don't be concerned, those funds are going to come right back. Meanwhile, we're still hanging tight and waiting for that transaction to go through. We can view and check it out on the Block Explorer if we have the needed information. If you look in the lower right hand corner of the screen, I'm not showing all of it, but we can see the transaction hash right here. And we can copy that and put that in the Block Explorer for Dynex to keep an eye on the transaction if you really want to. The wallet's saying there's only one confirmation, and the Block Explorer is only saying one confirmation, so it is going to take some time. It is interacting with the contract on the Ethereum. We can see it right here. So patience is key. I know I repeated that. And already on the bridge, we could see we got the blue number 1 because it's pending, right? It's still going through. We need 30 confirmations in total before this will actually show up on our SafePal wallet. Now, once it hits our wallet, we may need to add it manually by using the smart contract address, which I will show you here in just a second. And now we can claim our OXDNX. Now, real quick, before we claim, I just want to state that if you log out for whatever reason and you're like, oh no, I messed it up, don't worry about it when you log back in, because it's still your wallet under your control. That's the beauty of having your own private keys and seed phrases, is you maintain your own coin. So just reconnect. You'll see the little number in the upper right hand corner that now turned green. Click on it, click claim, and now we can continue on with our function of claiming our OXDNX. Just know that Ethereum is still expensive, so you will need to pay some money. We're probably going to do the least amount that we can, and unfortunately it's still high relative to the other blockchains available right now. But now we got some OXDNX on our SafePal Ethereum wallet. Make sure you do have some Ethereum, otherwise you won't be able to complete this transaction or interact. Because now we're going to go over to check out Uniswap and let you see how you're able to swap some of this OXDNX to another asset of your choice. And once you click the fee that you chose and continue, we need to scan the QR code that's on the screen. If I get out of your way again, you see it pop up on your device. If it doesn't, you could always say reconnect, hit next. You can see it showing up. So I'm just going to hit next at the bottom here. Again, now I'm going to get some QR codes that I need to scan with my hardware wallet. So I'm going to click this middle button. You see I'm on the scan option, and click this middle button. And now you see there's a camera there, right? Hey, camera inception. And now I'm going to scan, right, with the little camera, the QR code to approve the transaction. All right, you can see here the fee. We're going to hit OK. Got to put in our PIN code for our device. Once done, go to the green check mark that's in the bottom there. Hard to see. And then hit the middle OK button once again. And now you can see it's signing the transaction. Now we need to scan the QR code with our phone. We're going to hit the little next button. As you can see, it's giving us QR codes on our hardware wallet now, and we need to scan it. Make sure you have some good lighting to do the scanning of the QR code. As you go through scanning, you'll see the numbers start to climb up because it's scanning the QR code that are going through on your hardware wallet. Sign in completed. Do you want to confirm? So we just need to hit confirm on my smudgy fingerprint all over phone. And look at that, back on our computer. Success. Nice. So I actually saw in the mobile app that if I go to manage, right? So if I click the three dots right here and I go to manage coins, that if I search OXDNX, let me type it in for you, that the wrapped version of Dynex is already in here with logo and all, whereas on the day of launch, MetaMask and my video didn't show it. So we can just hit that plus icon. We can also do that on the computer, which we'll switch back to right now. Click our little browser extension, always a little puzzle piece. Depends on your browser really, but puzzle piece, SafePal, and it shows that we're connected. This is our active connection, one of the things I love about SafePal. But more importantly, let's see if it auto-detected OXDNX. If not, we need to go to manage tokens. So three dots, manage tokens. Look up OXDNX, just like we just did. There it is, boom. And after an additional wait of around 25 minutes, our OXDNX token is finally showing in our Ethereum wallet on our SafePal application. It did take a minute, so we got the additional 60 minutes, or the initial 60 minutes from the bridging aspect, and then another 25 to 30 minutes for the funds to actually show up in your wallet. A little bit longer than I would like, but we can confirm the transaction on Etherscan and on the Dynex Block Explorer. Now we want to trade it. Well, right here on the bridge, you got a link to Uniswap, which will automatically add the token address. You will get a warning Otherwise, you could just go to Uniswap, whichever your favorite is, and put in the contract address, as you should always verify the contract address when interacting. Click I understand, and now in the upper right hand corner, we can click connect and choose whatever application we want. In this case, SafePal is an option that's showing because I have the extension installed on my browser. If you don't see SafePal, make sure your extension is turned on. And now that it is, we can swap more Ethereum to OXDNX, or we can swap OXDNX to Ethereum. But because it is the Ethereum mainnet, you are going to interact or get impacted by higher gas fees. There's usually good times to interact on the DeFi space for the Ethereum mainnet and worse times, like normally Monday through Friday, 8 to about 6 p.m. Very congested, gas fees go higher. There's better times to do it. Check out some gas fee calculators. But now you know that you can store, interact, or engage in the DeFi space through your SafePal hardware wallet with the OXDNX Dynex token. I want to hear from you down in the comments section, but do me a favor on the way out. Hit that like button, get subscribed, hit the notification bell to stay up to date, as well as check out additional links in the description to help support the channel and what we do here, like links to go get yourself SafePal wallet. And I hope you have yourself a wonderful day. Take care. I'll catch you in the next one.